to Immaculate News. This is Avila. Today's news updates. Federation of Indian Pilots expressed concern over 5G's potential to interfere with aviation safety. Centre to shelve several defense important projects to promote Make in India. Day 1 of precaution doses. More than 9 lakh shots given here. Here is how it panned out across India. Seoul says North Korea has fired projectile into sea. Cryptocurrency prices on January 11, 2022. Prime Minister Modi requests all those who are eligible to get COVID precaution dose. India's daily COVID cases highest in around 227 days. Daily positivity rate rises into 13.29%. Delhi records most number of deaths due to COVID in the last 5 days. Haryana bans public meetings. These are the today's updates. To know more information, take www.icw.com. Thank you.